This is better than takeout. Good. I'll check it out. YouTube, it's your favorite chef, Chef G, and I'm back in the kitchen. Y'all know I'm in here cooking something good. We are making a crispy honey chili beef. All right. So what you're gonna need, we're gonna get right into it. We have some beef, and this is some chuck that was cut against the grain. You can get it already cut from the grocery store. I cut my own. You can use any cut of meat you want, ribeye. You can use tenderloin if you like, but you choose it. I have some chuck. All right. You're gonna need some green onion, some garlic, minced garlic, some red chilies, and these are like a Thai red chili, honey, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, red pepper flakes, cornstarch, sesame seeds, and a little bit of rice vinegar. All right, we're gonna get our meat marinated, let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, but up to 1 hour. So in our marinade, we're gonna add garlic, and soy sauce, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, we'll let this sit. I'm gonna mix it up. We'll allow it to sit for, like I said, at least 30 minutes, but up to 1 hour. The longer you let it sit, the better that marinade gets into there. Okay, I will put the recipe down in the description, because I think I'm going to add another tablespoon of this soy to my mix. All right, in the refrigerator, covered 30 minutes to 1 hour. All right, guys, so while we wait on our meat to marinate, we're going to go ahead and get our sauce put together. We need 1/3 cup of honey. Okay, I'll add more in just a second. You're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of your red pepper flakes, crushed red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of that. You need 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. One tablespoon of hoisin. And you know I don't measure everything, but I'll put the ingredient list in the description. So I'm going to go in with the rest of my honey. 1/3 cup. And that beef, I had about 1.5 pounds of beef for this recipe. All right. So we're going to get that mixed together. So it'll be ready for our beef when we're ready to add in our sauce. All right, so our beef is marinated for about 45 minutes. We're going to go in with our cornstarch. This is what's going to make our beef nice and crispy. So we're going to use about 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Get that nice and coated. And then we're going to go over to the stovetop to get it fried up and get it nice and crispy. All right, you're going to need to heat about 1.5 cups of oil up to 2. This is what you're going to bread your beef to look kind of like you're going to be frying it. So nice little coat on it. It's going to absorb a little bit, but it is going to make it nice and crispy when it's fried. All right. Our oil is nice and ready. So we're going to start laying in our beef, getting that cooked up crispy. We'll take it out, and we'll probably have to do about 2, maybe 3 batches to cook all the beef. And then we'll get our sauce started and get it coated. Once your beef is nice and crispy, move it to a different pan and drain your oil so we can make our sauce and coat our beef so we can be eating. We're going back to the stove. All right, I drained my oil, so I'm going to add in my green onion. and my 3 Thai chilies. Allow that to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. And we're going to add our beef back in. After 3 minutes, we're going to add in our sauce. Allow that to heat for a few minutes. And then we'll coat our beef with our sauce. Alright, once it starts to boil or simmer, we're going to add back in our beef and get everything nice and coated, and we'll be ready to eat. Got to tell you guys, I'm going to add in some broccoli to go along with this, and then we'll be ready to eat. Alright, I just added some steamed broccoli on the side. You can eat this with white rice. I'm going to eat it with the fried rice tonight. Throw you some egg rolls with it, and you got a complete meal. You guys, make sure you make this recipe. Share this recipe with everybody you know so you can eat good food made easy at home. Okay? This is a crispy honey beef. It is delicious. You can garnish with little sesame seeds, and you have a great meal. You don't even have to go out to get it. Easy takeout, made at home. Like I said, share this video with everybody you know. Let them know what Chef G is doing in her kitchen, cooking up food good for your soul, but also made easy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notifications for when Chef G uploads new videos or go live. And until next time, y'all stay blessed. Peace. This is better than takeout. Y'all make this recipe. It is